Good job. Pass to Joey. Joey, throw it. Go ahead and throw it. Oh, try again. Go long. Go long. Go get it, Anthony. Let your brother get it. Go get it, Tone. Good throw, Joey. Good throw. Yeah, good job. My brother goes and gets it. Yay! Bring it back. Oh, nice throw. Oh. Oh, no, thank you. Go get it, Anthony. No, thanks. Oh. No, don't throw it at the ceiling. Go ahead, Tony, get it. Hey. Can you do that too? That's a barrel of hay. Don't eat the football, please. Do not eat the football or the bag of hay. Okay. There it goes. Bye, guys.